Hi everyone, it's Linda. I'm very boobalicious today. Anyway, thought I'd actually wear something other than my other two shirts that I'm usually wearing in the craft room. Okay, so good morning, good afternoon. I wanted to show you some dies that I received and show you, this is the Flower Punch Board. If you saw my last video, I went to the States a couple weeks ago and I bought this Flower Punch Board. So here's one that I made as a trial. Is that beautiful? Sorry about the lighting, I'm not good at this. Okay, but there's you can make up to 7 sizes, and those are the first 3. Those are the first 3. I didn't want to, it can go anywhere from 3-inch diameter to 9-inch diameter, sorry. Anyway, you guys have rulers. So from 3 to 9, so probably a flower like up to that much more, right? But whatever. 3, 4, 5. So, yeah, so then I just attached these 3. I put one of those buttons that they've been selling at WRMK in the middle there, and then I put a little pearl, a flat back pearl on top. You can also do leaves with this punch board. Oh, shoot, I should probably get a square piece to show you how to do a leaf, but I'm all set out, too late. Okay, so what you do is you get a square piece of paper. It has to be, 4x4 or 3x3, whatever size you want. And then you score it corner to corner. You pick one, right? Score it. There is a scoring line you can use on the board. And then you take the other 2 corners and you insert them. Oops, I apologize. Insert them back here and punch both sides, the other 2 corners. And then you fold it, and there you go. You have a little leaf. So when you stick it behind, and then I made 2 other smaller ones. And you can, different colors. And these are just this was the only green paper I happened to have. So yeah, so that's how you do it. But let me just show you quickly how you actually do it. Now, this is a scrap piece of paper. Ignore the embossing. That was actually from the very first embossing folder I bought a couple years ago at Michael's. It's actually, that's supposed to be like a path of yarn for the cat stamps and dies and whatever. Okay, so the very smallest size is to get a 3-inch diameter flower. And down here it tells you, gives you the information. It tells you the size of paper you need, so this is what I have. And then, so I put this, I align it to the start line, which is this right here. And, oh no, wait, sorry. Oh my God. This way. Okay, to the start line. And then you punch. Sorry. And then I do the vertical. Okay, that will be trimmed off. And then I move. Yeah, I can't do a vertical vertical scoring the first time. And then I shift and align it to, because this is the smallest size, I just align the line to the first line here, which is the size I'm doing. So I put it there, and then I just keep doing that. So I go punch, and this time I score both, vertical and right. And then the vertical line I line up with that line. So the vertical line is now lined up with that there. If you can see that, I apologize, this is really crappy. But let's just keep going. So punch this, and then punch. This is why I picked the small size. This, punch, this. Getting near the end here, people. Okay. Oops. And so, how's everyone doing? See, I'm one of the lucky ones that I'm able to work from home, but that means I have to work from home, which is fine. I'm still getting paid, like I'm lucky. And I'm lucky that I get to work from home, but I don't have time to play. I can only play on weekends. Like, that hasn't changed. Ugh, figures, right? But it's more important that I get paid than that I get to play. So, I'm going to cut off this last one here. And what you're supposed to do, so there's all these scores. So this is what it looks like. So you just fold it back. Okay, so I folded it back, and you can use your little bone folder. And then there's a vertical, and then there's a vertical, and then there's a little diagonal. And you just fold all of them back. Okay, it's a bit confusing because I have other embossing on here. So fold straight, and then fold the diagonal, fold straight, fold the diagonal. And there. And then what you're supposed to do is, now, why does this not look right? Well, I guess it's supposed to, go like this. Sorry, it's supposed to. Okay, sorry. No, I'm doing it right. I'm doing it right. So you fold all the diagonals, and then it makes the flower. Anyway, it makes a flower. And then you glue this diagonal one to the front, and there. And so what some people do, so, sorry, it's not very flat. And then, yeah, so you glue those where it joins. And some people cut off a petal or two to make it stand up more. See how it stands up more when you get rid of a couple? Anyway, that's all you do. And it's lovely. Despite my tossing it around, it's lovely. And then, like I showed you how to do told you how to do the leaves. Okay. So the other things, the last of my AliExpress orders came in amazing. I know. So here's my little big kick. So 2 of the dies I bought, a strip of film and a strip of tickets. Now I don't have a good stamp for the tickets, so maybe a busy pattern, or I do have one stamp, but it's a bit smaller. Darn, where did I put it? Oh, here it is. So when you stamp, it still leaves a big space around. I know you can't see the stamp, it just says Emit 1 and some other lines. But, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to, now, my plates are, how big are these? 9 inches? Almost 9 inches. So I just sort of slide these down as I go. So let's get some paper going here. Get some tickets. And then film. And then what I did when I did my first trial was I just slid the paper down, and oh, I seem to be going a bit crooked here, and you might even have to tape it. I might have used tape. And I just, oh, these ones have a lot of those little things. Yeah, sometimes it even just sort of slides back in. Anyway, you get the idea. Sorry, I can't do it. I need tape and stuff. Anyway, here's what we have so far. And it even does a perforation. See that? It perforates. But anyway, the point is you can make a line of tickets from a 12 by 12 sheet. Okay, and there's the paper. And then here's the film strip. See? Isn't that lovely? Anyway, so I made those. Let's just make the mess down here. Okay, so this took a while to come, but I like it. It's good variety. And these were my original samples. Oh, it's right here. Sorry, I apologize. See, the only stamp I have is a bit small for these tickets. But Yeah, so, but still, I just love that you can make your own if you want. And this is, I tried it with the purple. This was actually a long strip, but you'll see I did something with part of this. I'm going to do it in the next video. I can't do this all in one video. Okay, so that was that. And the last stamp, the last dies that came in are dies that I accidentally said, yes, I received it. And it's lovely with AliExpress. And then I was like trying to pull, recall that, and they wouldn't let me. But in the end, I wrote to the store twice. Anyway, they showed up. So it's 6 label things. So there's those 3, and then you can make a little inset. Okay, which is what we're going to do with the big one. Okay, so we have this, and then over here, I'm going to do the inset, and let's just die cut those. To go through twice at least. All right, so we have the little inset, and then we have this one, and now, isn't that cute? So you don't even need this, and I have a lot of labels like this dies, like a lot. So I think I'm kind of done buying them for now, but it's good to have variety. Anyway, so I think that's all I wanted to show you for now, and I'm going to do another video in a minute and show you what I did the last couple weeks. Oh, weekends, really. Okay, anyway, everyone take care and stay healthy, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.